currently at Ukwu Ugba right now. As you can see, that's the tree right there where they call Ukwu Ugba right there. So we will be driving from here down to the park. All right, so let's go.
We were sparks on quiet street.
Hello and welcome to this short tour of one of Umuahia's familiar routes from Ukwu Ugba in Amuzukwu, Ibeku, heading towards the heart of the city at Ishi Gate.
The same. Or have we both moved on to different names?
This axis is more than just a road. It cuts across a vibrant residential and semi-urban part of Ibeku land. A place where everyday life flows. Families going about their businesses, children playing around, traders hustling with their goods, and the entire community growing quietly.
Truth in this late night chat, both of us knowing what a lie that. Funny how we talk like we're fine.
Now when you look around, you will see a mix of old and new buildings, traditional compounds sitting side by side with freshly painted buildings and ongoing construction. This is classic Umuahia, where heritage meets everyday hustle. In recent years, this area has benefited from serious attention. Roads have been rehabilitated, including sections linking Isiama Afara through Ukwu Ugba.
If only for a moment, take me back to the start.
Street lighting and general infrastructure upgrades are slowly changing the face of Amuzukwu and its environs. As we move closer to the city center, the energy builds up. You pass residential zones, small shops, and junctions that locals know very well.
But life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark.
This route connects the quieter neighborhoods of Amuzukwu and Afaruku straight into the bustling commercial hub of Umuahia.
Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars.
As we move closer to the city center, the energy builds up. This route connects the quieter neighborhoods of Amuzukwu and Afaruku straight into the bustling commercial hub of Umuahia.
Night chat, both of us knowing what a lie that. Funny how we talk like we're fine.
Ishi Gate, famously known as the Gate of Umuahia, has always been the heartbeat of movement in the capital. It is a major transport node, a marketplace, and a meeting point for people coming from Abia, Okigwe, Enugu, and the surrounding villages.
Before the quiet and the scars.
Filming routes like this from Ukwu Ugba to Ishi Gate is important because it captures the living reality of our city as it is today.
If only for a moment.
Videos like this document real change, the progress being made, the challenges that remain, and the everyday life in Umuahia. They inform investors, connect indigenes with home, preserve memories, and promote accountability.
For the quiet and the scars. When the world felt small
Abia is rising, and places like Amuzukwu to Ishi Gate are part of that rise.
All this time.
What do you think about this video? Have you passed through this route recently? Drop your comments below. This is Inside Africa 360 Media, and I am Benjamin Ikoku, bringing you closer to home. Thanks for watching this video, and see you on the next one.